What's that?
That's for you.
No, I think that's for you. Yeah, it's bracelets for you.
What?
That's a bracelet for you. That's for Daddy. What you got? Some more candies. Nice. What's that? Fishies? Well, is that fishies for Mommy? Fishies for Mommy?
Yeah, for Chooch.
Yeah, for Chooch? Oh, some more candies? Wow. Oh, it's a box for Mommy. I think Daddy's got enough deodorant to last him a year. What's that? Is that your cheese for macaroni?
Yeah.
Yeah. You're awful quiet this time.
Oh, they must make a pee-pee.
Uh-oh, go make a pee-pee. You finished with the box? Go make a pee-pee if you need to make pee-pee.
Oh, I want to see what's inside this.
Alright. Don't make pee-pee in your pants. Ah, it's bracelets for Chupa. Be right back. Alright, love you. Oh, tell Grammy thank you. Look back. Tell Grammy thank you. Hey. Yo.
I want a pee-pee.
Okay, tell Grammy thank you. Look here, tell Grammy thank you. Say thank you. Say thank you. Quick, before you get out of the potty. Say thank you. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.